Don't compromise your space for storage. Naomi Home presents the Brooklyn Captain's Bed. The greatest addition to your bedroom. Accommodate overnight guests effortlessly with a hidden twin pull-out trundle bed. This space-saving feature allows you to provide an extra sleeping space whenever needed, ensuring comfort and convenience for visitors without sacrificing room aesthetics. This bed is equipped with 3 individual drawers located underneath the bed. Its gorgeous vertically slanted headboard adds a classical and nautical touch to anyone's resting quarters, ideal for guest rooms, master bedrooms, and more. This bed comes in various colors such as navy blue, black, white, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.